Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Tanishka this side. I hope you guys are doing really well. And I know it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any video. But anyways, I'm back with the new one. And आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे about few engineering exams that you can give other than JEE. So I just hope you guys find this video really helpful. And now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So firstly we have BITSAT. BITSAT is Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test. BITS Pilani has its 4 campuses. First one is in Pilani, second Goa, third Hyderabad and fourth one is in Dubai. Talking about its eligibility criteria, so you guys have to score minimum of 75% marks in boards in PCM and at least 60% individually. Now talking about the important dates of application form. So BITS Pilani conducts their 2 sessions for this examination. First one is in May and second one is in June. Talking about the application form deadline. So the form for the first session has started from 21st of January and the deadline is of 18th April. And for the second session, the window will be open from 26th of May and the deadline is of 10 June. Moving forward, now we will talk about fees for application form. So for boys, for the first session, it will cost you somewhere around 3,500 and for the second and for the both session, 5,500. For girls, for the first session, it will cost you around 3,000 and for both the session, it will cost you around 4,500. So next we have VIT Triple, Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Exam. VIT has its 4 campuses. First one is in Vellore, second Chennai, third Bhopal and fourth one is in Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Now according to last year 2024, the highest package offered at Vellore Institute was of 88 LPA and average was of 9 to 10 LPA. Talking about its eligibility criteria, so you have to score at least 60% aggregate marks in PCM in boards. Moving forward towards its application form, so the application form will cost you somewhere around 1,350 rupees for both girls and boys. Talking about the deadline for application form, so it is of 31st March 2025, so you have to fill the form before that. Now next we have UGEE. UGEE is Undergraduate Entrance Examination. It is conducted by IIIT Hyderabad for dual degree program. So now if you guys are interested to take admission in IIIT Hyderabad, you have to go through this examination. Also you can take admission through JEE. Now talking about the package, so the highest package offered was of 1.2 CR and average was of 23 LPA. Talking about eligibility criteria, so you have to score minimum of 60% aggregate in PCM in boards. Now moving forward, talking about application form fees. So for general category, it will cost you somewhere around 2,500 and for female candidate, the fees is of 1,250 rupees. Talking about the important dates, so the application will start from 6th of February 2025 and the deadline is of 1st of April. So next we have MHTCT. MHTCT is Maharashtra Health and Technical Common Entrance Test. So if you guys are interested to take admission in top colleges in Maharashtra like COEP, you have to go through this examination. So for COEP, according to 2023, the highest package offered was of 50.5 LPA and the average package was of 11.35 LPA. So talking about its eligibility criteria, you have to score minimum of 45% marks in boards in PCM. Talking about the application form, so the fees that we will require for general category candidates is of 1000 rupees and for reserve category it is 800 rupees. Now talking about the application form date, it has started since 30th of December 2024 and the deadline is of 15th February 2025. So next we have WBJE. WBJE is West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination. So if you guys are interested to take admission in any of the colleges in West Bengal, you have to go through this exam. colleges like Jadavpur University, which is one of the top college in India. According to 2024, its NRF ranking was 17, and according to 2023, the highest package offered was of 85 LPA. Now talking about its eligibility criteria, you have to score minimum aggregate of 45% in PCM in boards. Now moving forward, talking about its application form. So the fees varies according to category. Like for general male, it will cost you somewhere around 500, and even less for female and OBC SC ST. Now talking about the important dates. So the date to fill up application form is from 22 January to 23 Feb. So now if you guys want me to make a video on any of the exams mentioned before, so you can just leave a comment in the comment box and I'll definitely make video on it as soon as possible. So that's it for this video guys. I just hope you have found this really helpful, and if yes, so please like this video and also share this video with your friends जिन्हें इसकी ज़रूरत है, and for further videos subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.